Hey, what's up guys? This is Rail Chief here, bringing you another video update from my channel. So this is going to be a little short video for you guys, but as you can see, I'm going to be running my Lionel test bench off of a couple of 6-volt batteries here that you can find at either Job Lot or Home Depot. And I got a couple of engines here for you guys that I'm going to be running the test bench with. So on the track here, I got the Lionel 50 gang car. I also have the 52 fire car here. And as for an engine that I'm going to be running, I'm going to be using my 620-23 Santa Fe NW2 switcher. So without further ado, let me show you how I managed to hook this whole thing up. So as you can see here, this is my center wire here, which is going to go to the negative terminal on the battery. And as for the positive, this is going to go around and connect to the negative on the other battery here that you see. Oops. Let me just fix that. And as for the positive on this battery, I connected a green wire, and that's going to go around and connect to the negative on this battery. And as for the outside rail, this is the wire that's going to go through the outside rail, and that's going to connect to the positive here. So let me just get my other wire that connects to the inner rail, and I'll show you how this works. Oops. Okay, let's start that again. Let's try that one more time. Let me see if I can do this without the gang car hitting the wire this time. Well, you guys get the idea. She runs a little fast, but you can run it a little bit slower if you use the negative terminal here. Alright, so that's done. Just let me get the fire car here. I'll show you how this one operates with the 6-volt batteries. Let me see if I can get her moving. There she goes. Oops. Sometimes she just gets a little stuck once in a while, so let me see if I can put some more juice to the track here. There you go. Okay. Now, last but not least, let me run the switcher off of this track section. And I'll show you a very interesting thing that this engine does. Sometimes you have to tap the wire a couple times in order to change the position of the E unit, the E unit, I should say. But as you can see, this thing runs very smoothly and it runs very quietly too. fan. I'm not really sure if you guys noticed in the video or not, but the E-unit is extremely quiet. The main reason is because you're basically running the engine off of DC power as opposed to AC power like you would do on a regular Lionel transformer. So I guess I'm going to wrap the video up like this. So thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for any other videos I upload. And I hope to see you all next time. Bye.